Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming the essentials so audio processing works reliably. Install Krisp 2025 and sign in. Once done, grant microphone and speaker permissions so the app can route audio. Next, plug in your headset and set it as the system default microphone and speaker. This prevents double processing. Make sure sample rates match, 48 kHz typical, to avoid glitches. Finally, open Krisp and let it detect your devices. That first detection step lets you apply noise cancellation to the right input and output. Now you can figure how Krisp filters sound and why those choices matter. Pick the input and output devices within Krisp, selecting Krisp mic routes processed audio to meetings. Then choose noise cancellation strength. Use low for subtle hums, high for construction noise, or auto to balance CPU load. Once chosen, enable voice isolation when you need to preserve speech clarity. Also toggle hardware acceleration to offload processing. This reduces latency on capable machines and prevents dropped frames during video calls. Finish by validating Krisp in real conditions and know one quick fix if things go wrong. Join a test call or use the app's recorder to confirm noise removal and speech naturalness. Make adjustments to strength or enable advanced filters if you hear artifacts. Once satisfied, enable Krisp per app in your meeting software or set it system-wide for consistent protection. If audio stops working, restart the conferencing app, reselect Krisp devices, and update audio drivers. That often resolves routing conflicts without deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.